Hi, CA Devesh here. Today we will discuss everything about sovereign gold bonds and why you should invest in sovereign gold bonds. In this video we will discuss what does sovereign gold bonds mean, tax treatment of sovereign gold bonds, advantages of sovereign gold bonds over physical gold and other features of sovereign gold bonds. Let us understand first what does sovereign gold bonds mean. They are substitutes for holding physical gold. Sovereign gold bonds are the bond issued by RBI and backed by the Government of India. By investing in sovereign gold bonds, you as an investor are investing in gold only, but in electronic form, not in physical form. Everything is going digital, then why not gold? Like we buy share in electronic form, similarly we can buy gold in electronic form directly from the banks. Normally, when we invest in physical gold, we only get value appreciation benefit. Say for an example, Rs 45,000 investment becomes Rs 48,000 in future. That is Rs 3,000 profit. However, when we invest in sovereign gold bonds, we get dual benefits. Let's discuss what they are. Number 1 is value appreciation benefits, same as we get in physical gold. Another benefit is investors will receive interest at the rate 2.5% per annum every year on the invested amount. That is, whatever amount you invest, you will receive 2.5% interest on it every year, which you were not getting while investing in physical gold. Say for an example, you have made an investment of Rs 45,000, you will receive 2.5% interest on Rs 45,000, that is Rs 1125 every year. This is the advantage of investing in sovereign gold bonds. This is one of the advantages. We'll discuss more advantages in the latter part of this video. One thing to note is investment in sovereign gold bonds should be made between 6th of July 2020 to 10th of July 2020. So 10th of July 2020 is the last date to invest. The issue price of the bond is 4852 per gram. That is, minimum amount you have to make is Rs 4852. A discount of Rs 50 per gram is being offered to investors who apply online and pay digitally. The bond will be issued for a fixed period of 8 years with an exit option from 5th year onwards to be exercised on the interest payment dates. So these sovereign gold bonds are specifically designed for long-term investors only. Your investment must be made for 8 years. However, there will be an exit option after 5th year onwards. Let's discuss tax treatment of sovereign gold bonds. Capital gain is tax-free if you hold the bond till maturity, that is 8 years. That is, the amount of profit you make by investing in sovereign gold bonds is tax-free. You don't have to pay any tax on it. The important point to note here is, if you hold sovereign gold bonds till maturity, that is 8 years, there will be no capital gain tax on the profits made. If you sold before maturity, that is before 8 years, then investor has to pay capital gains tax on it. For example, you have invested Rs 45,000 and gold is trading at Rs 1,45,000 after 8 years. Then Rs 1,45,000 minus 45,000, that is Rs 1 lakh, is tax free on 8 years. There will not be any tax levied on Rs 1 lakh. Capital gains, if any, at maturity is tax free. This is an exclusive benefit available in sovereign gold bonds. I repeat, this is an exclusive benefit available on sovereign gold bonds. However, when you invest in physical gold, you have to pay capital gains tax. So, sovereign gold bonds is tax-free, unlike physical gold, which is taxable. The second point in regard to tax treatment of sovereign gold bonds is the interest on sovereign gold bonds which you will receive every year will be taxable. However, no TDS will be deducted while paying interest payments. Long story short, capital gain on sale of sovereign gold bonds is tax-free if sold on maturity, and interest received is taxable every year. Let's discuss advantages of sovereign gold bonds over physical gold. Number 1 is no cost of storage is involved by investing in sovereign gold bonds because it is electronically stored. However, when we invest in physical gold, that physical gold has to be saved at bank lockers. Therefore, we will be able to save locker charges if we invest in sovereign gold bonds. Sovereign gold bonds are free from issues like making charges and purity of gold. The second advantage is Sovereign gold bonds are free from issues like making charges and purity of gold. While buying physical gold, making charges are levied, and we have to check the purity of the gold also. No such issue while investing in sovereign gold bonds, because we are buying gold online from commercial banks, which is issued by the Government of India. The third advantage is sovereign gold bonds can be used as collateral for loans. That is, in case you want to take a loan in the future, you can provide sovereign gold bonds as security for the loan taken. In my opinion, sovereign gold bonds remain the best vehicle to participate in gold in the long term if the intent is to hold the bonds till the maturity. Let's discuss other features of sovereign gold bonds which I wish to highlight here. Sovereign gold bonds are tradable on the stock exchanges. Therefore, you can sell anytime you want. There is no liquidity problem. The second feature is who can buy sovereign gold bonds. Individuals can buy sovereign gold bonds like you and I. HUFs, trust, universities and charitable institutions can buy sovereign gold bonds. The third feature is minimum permissible investment will be 1 gram of gold, as we have discussed, which is available at Rs 4852 per gram. The fourth feature is maximum limit of investment can be 4 kg for individuals, 4 kg for HUF and 20 kg for trust and similar entities. So these are the upper limits for investments. The fifth and the last feature is interest on sovereign gold bonds is payable semi-annually, that is in every 6 months directly into the bank account of the investors. That's it in the video of sovereign gold bonds. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It takes a lot of efforts to make this type of videos, so if you could please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, take care and goodbye.